Wow, siyabonga, siyabonga. Thank you so much to be here. We have had a very, very good time of the year-end celebration, KwaMzilikazi Kingdom. I'm sitting here with my kingdom, with my king, King Makushu. We have enjoyed it. We have been working so hard, so tirelessly the whole year. Now sibonge amandla uNkulunkulu kuthasithwale up to so far. The event went very, very well. Amakhosi were here celebrating the year 2025. Come 2026, we are coming as Amakhosi and we are coming very hard. I would love to say to all of those who could not make it, we did it on your behalf. Siyabonga kakhulu, my king. Siyabonga kakhulu for what you have taken up, that Amakhosi mawahlangane. We are here today. Siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.